Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of importing and associating multiple objects, like contacts and companies, using just one file in HubSpot. If you've ever found yourself wrangling messy spreadsheets or wanting to save time by connecting data as you upload it, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring everything into HubSpot and keep your records linked and tidy. Let's dive in. Open up your HubSpot account and head over to Data Management. If you're following along, you'll find imports in that section. This is the central hub for getting any external data into HubSpot. Click on Start Import. It's your gateway to bringing new information into your CRM. Next, select File from Computer. You're telling HubSpot you'll be uploading data from your own spreadsheet file, not from another platform or system. Click Next to continue. And don't worry, HubSpot will walk you through the rest of the process step by step. Now, you'll see an option for one file. This might seem like a simple choice, but it's important. Selecting one file means HubSpot expects all your objects to be bundled together in a single spreadsheet rather than spread across several. Click Next, and you're on to selecting multiple objects. At this point, you'll select all the objects that are in your file, most commonly contacts and companies. This step ensures HubSpot knows what types of data to expect from each column in your sheet. Just click the checkboxes and then hit Next. Here's where the magic really starts. Click Choose a File to upload your spreadsheet. If you haven't prepared your sheet yet, make sure each row contains all the necessary details and that your columns are clearly labeled. The simpler and clearer your file is, the smoother this next part will go. Once uploaded, HubSpot will ask how you want to import your data for each object, whether you want to create new records, update existing ones, or both. For most people, create and update records will be the safest bet. That way, HubSpot won't make duplicates if an entry already exists. It'll just bring things up to date. Now let's talk about mapping your columns. This is like matching up your spreadsheet's language with HubSpot's. For instance, if you have a contact email column in your sheet, you'll want to make sure it's mapped to HubSpot's email property for contacts. HubSpot does a pretty good job of guessing these matches, but always double check. Sometimes unique identifiers like company domain or contact email might not map automatically. Use the drop-down menus to manually link them to the right spot. Correct mapping is absolutely crucial. Think of it like making sure everyone at your dinner party has the right name card, so things don't get mixed up later. Pause for a moment and make sure the identifiers are mapped correctly. If they're not, your data could be mismatched, and associations between objects, like linking contacts to companies, won't work the way you expect. Don't rush this part, even though HubSpot will let you proceed quickly. Once you're happy with your mappings, click Next, and you're almost at the finish line. Give your import a clear and descriptive name. This is more helpful than you might think. If you ever need to reference the import later, a good name could save you a headache. Also, if your company is subject to GDPR, HubSpot will prompt you to set the legal basis for processing your contacts' data. Just follow the on-screen guidance here. It's important for compliance. Finally, hit Finish Import. HubSpot will begin processing your file. This part might take a few moments depending on how large your dataset is. You'll get a notification once it's done, and you'll see your contacts and companies all imported, correctly associated, and ready to use. And that's all there is to it. Importing and associating multiple objects in one file can seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you've got a clear roadmap. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to drop any questions in the comments. I'm here to help. And for more HubSpot tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.